Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, we will be talking about UpGrow. According to the website, UpGrow.com claims to be a revolutionary Instagram growth service offering organic growth through a mix of artificial intelligence and human expertise. They market themselves as a bot-free solution delivering real and engaged followers. But with so many promises, how does UpGrow actually perform? Let's dive right in. So the first up is the sign up process. So when you click here on start for free, signing up with UpGrow is very straightforward. All you need is your Instagram username, no password required. And once you're registered, you'll also access a dashboard to activate growth services and adjust settings to target your ideal audience. And now for the features of UpGrow. UpGrow boasts a suite of AI-powered tools to elevate your Instagram presence, including AI Instagram caption generator, which suggests captions based on your photos. And you also have the fake follower checker, which helps clean up your followers list. And then next is the hashtag generator. It can also create hashtags to boost post reach. And then next is the engagement rate calculator. It can measure your audience interaction with your posts. Well, while these tools sound innovative, users' reviews often highlight their limitations. Many users report inaccurate or repetitive results, questioning the functionalities of these features. And now let's move on to the user feedback. So the critical aspect of any service is user experience. And here's where UpGrow struggles. So number one would be the fake followers. So many customers report gaining fake accounts with no engagements, contrary to UpGrow's promise of organic growth. And the next would be its customer service. So users frequently mention delayed responses and unsatisfactory resolutions for the customer service. And next is the billing issues. So there are reports of unauthorized charges, making refund process long and frustrating. And now let's go with the pricing. So here in the pricing right here, so you have your basic plan, which is $59 per month for a year. This is the yearly plan right here. And for the pro plan, which is $99 per month. And for the turbo plan, which is you would have all the features right here, which is $179 per month right here. But if you go for the monthly, it would be much higher. So here in the basic plan, it would be 69 instead of just 59. And for the pro plan, it is still the same thing, even if you go for the monthly plan. So we suggest that you go for the pro plan if you are planning to avail UpGrow. And for the turbo plan is 199 instead of 179. So these are the pricing and the features right here you can see at the bottom. And they also have a free trial for you to check out if in case you would want to test the waters and see if UpGrow is the right one for you. And yeah, that is basically it. Despite its appealing promises, UpGrow often fails to deliver according to user testimonials. The presence of fake followers, unreliable tools, and poor customer support are significant drawbacks. If you are serious about Instagram growth, consider more reliable and transparent alternatives. Look for services that provide clear results and robust customer support for a better long-term experience. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.